This is Jen. She and her husband Tom own a house in the United States where they live with their daughter Lucy and their dog Meatball. Their local water treatment facility claims there is no lead in the water when it leaves the plant, but Jen wants to be sure there's no lead in her home. After water leaves the treatment plant, it can pick up contaminants as it travels through pipes to their neighborhood. Once it approaches Jen's property, the water goes through a service line to supply her house. On houses built before 1986, there is a higher likelihood that this pipe was made of lead. In the decades before, it was commonly used in paint, pipes, plumbing fixtures, and solder. Lead is a naturally occurring element, but it can be harmful to our bodies, especially in young children, women who may be pregnant, and the elderly. Today, it's illegal to make pipes out of lead. But in newer homes, legally lead-free plumbing may still contain up to 8% of lead. If Jen's service line or plumbing contain lead, the water may be contaminated as it makes its way to faucets and appliances. When water sits in pipes, the amount of lead leaching into it increases. But Jen and Tom don't have to go to extreme measures like bulldozing their house to reduce their lead intake. These simple tips can help. Only use cold water for cooking and drinking. It's likely to contain lower levels of lead. Clean faucet screens and aerators about once a month to remove buildup. It may contain lead particles. Flush your plumbing. Run the water until it becomes noticeably cold, about 2 to 3 minutes. This removes water that has been sitting and has had longer contact with lead. These rules are helpful, but Jen wants less of a hassle and a better guarantee that lead isn't in her family's water. Jen should start by getting her water tested by a water treatment professional or state-approved lab. They can check for any potential health concerns and a variety of contaminants. When she knows what's in her water, Jen can make an informed decision with a water treatment professional what solution will meet her family's needs. She should look for products that are NSF or WQA certified to reduce contaminants such as lead. After a system is installed, Jen and Tom need to replace their filter regularly, about once or twice a year. This keeps their system running properly to reduce contaminants with every use.